Identifying signs of home casing and preventive measures. Your home is your sanctuary, a place of refuge and security. However, in an era where burglary and home invasion are unfortunate realities, it's essential to remain vigilant and proactive in safeguarding your residence. One of the critical steps in home security is recognizing the signs of home casing, the process by which potential burglars scout and assess properties for vulnerabilities. We will explore the telltale signs of home casing and discuss proactive measures to protect your home and loved ones from intrusion. Understanding home casing. Home casing is the preliminary step in a burglary or home invasion, where criminals survey properties to identify potential targets and vulnerabilities. This process typically involves observing the home's layout, security measures, inhabitants' routines, and patterns of activity. By gathering intelligence through observation, burglars can plan and execute their crimes with greater efficiency and success. Recognizing the signs of home casing is crucial for preempting potential threats and fortifying your home's defenses. Signs of home casing: unfamiliar vehicles or individuals. One of the most conspicuous signs of home casing is the presence of unfamiliar vehicles or individuals in your neighborhood. Pay attention to suspicious vehicles parked near your home, especially if they remain for extended periods or appear out of place. Likewise, be wary of strangers loitering or exhibiting unusual behavior near your property, as they may be scouting for potential targets. Repeated surveillance. Burglars often conduct repeated surveillance of target properties to gather information and assess vulnerabilities. If you notice individuals lingering or passing by your home multiple times without apparent reason, it may be a red flag indicating potential casing activity. Be observant of anyone who seems overly interested in your property or exhibits suspicious behavior. Unsolicited inquiries or solicitations. Beware of unsolicited inquiries or solicitations from individuals posing as service providers, salespeople, or surveyors. Burglars may use pretextual tactics to gain access to your property under false pretenses, such as offering fake services or conducting bogus surveys. Exercise caution when interacting with unfamiliar individuals and verify their credentials before providing any information or access. Unusual markings or symbols. Some burglars use subtle markings or symbols to communicate information about target properties to accomplices or fellow criminals. These markings, often made with chalk or adhesive stickers, may indicate vulnerable entry points, security systems, or occupant schedules. Be vigilant for any unusual markings or symbols on your property, especially near doors, windows, or utility boxes. Disguised surveillance equipment. Modern burglars may employ discreet surveillance equipment, such as hidden cameras or drones, to observe and gather intelligence on target properties. Inspect your surroundings for any suspicious-looking objects or devices that could be used for covert surveillance. Pay particular attention to areas with a clear line of sight to your home, such as neighboring properties or elevated vantage points. Probing or testing security measures. Burglars may attempt to probe or test your home's security measures to assess their effectiveness and identify potential weaknesses. Look out for signs of attempted entry, such as tampering with locks, windows, or security cameras. Additionally, be wary of individuals posing as delivery personnel or service technicians who attempt to gain access to your property under false pretenses. Anomalous behavior of pets. Pets can be highly perceptive to unusual or suspicious activity in their environment. Pay attention to any changes in your pet's behavior, such as excessive barking, growling, or agitation, which may indicate the presence of intruders or unfamiliar individuals near your home. Trust your pet's instincts and investigate any disturbances or anomalies promptly. Patterns of observation. Burglars often establish patterns of observation to monitor target properties discreetly without arousing suspicion. Be mindful of individuals loitering or lingering in the vicinity of your home at consistent times or intervals, especially during hours of low visibility or reduced activity. Document any recurring patterns of observation and report them to local law enforcement for further investigation. Preventive measures and home security strategies. Install a home security system. Invest in a comprehensive home security system equipped with surveillance cameras, motion detectors, and alarms to deter burglars and detect unauthorized entry. Ensure that your security system covers all entry points, including doors, windows, and garage doors, and activate it whenever you are away from home or asleep. Enhance physical security measures. Fortify your home's physical security by installing sturdy locks, deadbolts, and reinforced doors and windows. Consider upgrading to impact-resistant or laminated glass to prevent forced entry through windows and glass doors. Reinforce vulnerable entry points with security bars, grills, or shatterproof film to deter burglars and delay unauthorized access. Maintain exterior lighting. Illuminate the exterior of your home with motion-activated lights or strategically placed floodlights to deter burglars and enhance visibility during nighttime hours. Ensure that all entry points, pathways, and outdoor areas are well lit to minimize hiding spots and deter criminal activity. Secure valuables and personal information. Safeguard your valuables, important documents, and personal information by storing them in a secure location, such as a fireproof safe or locked cabinet. Avoid displaying valuable items or sensitive information in plain sight, as this may attract the attention of burglars and increase the risk of theft or identity fraud. Establish neighborhood watch programs. Collaborate with neighbors and community members to establish neighborhood watch programs aimed at preventing crime and promoting mutual vigilance. Share information and communicate regularly with neighbors about suspicious activity or security concerns in your area, and work together to monitor and protect each other's properties. Practice situational awareness. Cultivate a habit of situational awareness by staying alert and attentive to your surroundings at all times. Be observant of any unusual or suspicious activity in your neighborhood, and trust your instincts if something feels amiss. Report any concerns or potential threats to local law enforcement promptly, and cooperate with authorities to address security issues effectively.